Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to recover Dropbox account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, we need to navigate to the Dropbox login page, which you can find at dropbox.com. Once you're there, you'll see a space to enter your Dropbox email. Go ahead and type in the email address that's associated with your Dropbox account. This is an essential step for resetting your password, as Dropbox will use this to verify your identity. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. This will bring you to the password page. Now, if you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Instead of trying to remember it, click on the link that says Forgot Your Password. It's located just below the password entry field. Clicking this link takes you to the password reset page, and this is where we begin the password recovery process. On the password reset page, you'll need to enter your Dropbox email address again. After typing in your email, click on Submit. By doing this, you're requesting Dropbox to send you an email with a link to reset your password. Now, let's switch over to your email inbox. Once you see the email, open it, and you'll find a link that says Reset Password. Click on it. This will take you back to Dropbox, but this time, you'll be on the password reset page. Here, you'll have the opportunity to choose a new password. Be sure to pick a strong and unique password to keep your account secure. Type in your new password and then retype it in the field below to confirm you've entered it correctly. Finally, hit the Submit button to finalize the process. With that done, your new password is set, and you can now log into your Dropbox account with your updated credentials. And that's it. So that is how you can recover Dropbox account. So that's all for this video. Thanks.